Hello everyone! It's a true cloud nerd here. Ever wondered where all your photos, videos, and favorite apps actually live? Today, we're diving into one of the tech's most misunderstood concepts, the cloud. In this mini-series, we'll explore how the cloud really works, using both simple analogies and a bit of tech magic. We'll focus on Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS, but what you learn here applies to most cloud providers. Let's go back in time, before the cloud existed. Before we dive deeper, let's set the stage. For decades, companies only had one way to run their digital operations, built in themselves. Picture this. You want to launch your dream business online. Back then, that meant buying powerful computers, called servers, installing them in your own building, cooling them down, wiring everything up, and hiring teams to keep them running 24/7. Now here's the kicker. You'd hope you'd bought exactly the right amount of computing power. Not too much, not too little. But, spoiler alert, you almost never got it right. Let me show you why this was so broken. Imagine a glass. In this scenario, the glass represents all the computer power the CEO bought for her company, and the water, that's customer demand. Simple, right? But watch what happens. But what happens when businesses bloom and demand suddenly spikes? Your water starts rising, and then overflow. Your glass cannot hold it at all. Now you're scrambling, you need more servers, but they don't appear magically. You have to order them, wait weeks for delivery, physically install them, configure them, months of delay, while your customers are frustrated and your competitors are winning, and the bill, astronomical. But here's the flip side. When businesses slow down, what happens? Your glass empties out. Demand drops. And you don't need all those servers anymore. So what do? Nothing. You're stuck. You cannot return the servers. You cannot pause the costs. That expensive hardware is just sitting there, collecting dust, draining money every single month. Dead weight. That's the old way of IT. You're trapped between two terrible choices. Empty waste or overflow chaos. Heavy, slow, expensive, and completely unflexible. That was the only game in town. That's the old way. Millions upfront, months to scale up, impossible to scale down, and tons of wasted resources sitting down doing nothing. Sounds pretty painful, right? Good news. All of that. It just changed. And it changed forever. Enter the cloud.